Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 7 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use voice recorder on this device. Begin with locating Recorder app. When you find it, click on it. Now select while using the app in Allow Recorder to record audio pop-up, and tap on this red button to start your recording. You can pause it and unpause it using the same one. If you wish to, you can always pause it. Click on Add Location over here. Choose while using the app or only this time. And then tap on Add Title as well. Now you can name your recording however you wish to. And then just click on Resume. Now, in order to switch from audio to transcript, click on one of those options. If you wish to delete your recording right away, you can do that by choosing Delete at the bottom left corner and tapping on Delete in the pop-up. In order to end it and save it though, choose Save at the bottom right corner instead. Now to play your recording, just click on it. If you wish to get rid of it though, you can always do that by holding it, selecting this bin icon at the top right corner, and confirming your choice in this pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!